Hi, today I'm doing a video on the Avaya BM12 module. This is a module that you can add on to the 9508 phone, and it allows you to add extra feature buttons to your phone, like speed dial, paging, or do not disturb button. Out of the box you'll get the module like this, and it comes with the cable that connects the module between the phone and the BM12 itself. This is a flat black cable. It's got 8 pins on it, and you'll notice that it has a piece of plastic on the left side of the connector there. And that's just to prevent you from plugging it into the wrong port in the back of the phone or the module. Actually, just the wrong port in the back of the phone, I should say. Also, you'll get the stand that goes with it, and you'll look on the back of the module here. It's got this extra piece of plastic screwed to it, so if you wanted to screw it to the back of your phone, you could have it installed as one piece, or you can keep it separate if you want. So for our purposes of the demonstration here, we're just going to keep it separate. But as you can see, you have the screw holes there. You can screw it into the phone. So we're going to take our cable here, plug it into the bottom of the bottom port on the phone here. It says mod. You might not be able to see that. It does say mod next to it, and on the back of the BM12 module you'll see the bottom port has an icon of a phone. We're going to plug into that port, and actually we're going to put the base on here first. It should fit better. Make sure that snaps in. Okay, so now we have our cable connected between the phone, and this BM12 module requires a power supply. So this is an 1151 style power supply. Now, coming from the power supply on the left side here, see on the left side, this says phone. That's going to go to our phone. We're going to need to use a Cat 5 cable because the pins 7 and 8 carry the power to the phone. So we're going to plug into the top port on the phone, just like that, and flip it over here. See, it takes a few seconds for it to start up. Now the cable going from the right side of the power supply back to the phone system, or your wall jack, that says LAN/PBX. That one can be just a regular 2-pin line cord, or it can be Cat 5 cable if you prefer. So as you can see on the phone here, we've already got speed dial buttons programmed. You can program these buttons from managers starting with button number 25, because the 9508 phone has 24 buttons included for features. So you'll also notice that, actually hang my phone up here. So you also notice that there are red indicator lights on the buttons. These would show if a user has their do not disturb button on, they'll show up solid red, or if the phone is unplugged, they'll show up solid red. Also, when you press the button, it shows that the light starts to flash to show that it's ringing the phone, or if someone else is ringing the phone, it will flash. And then it'll start to flash like a fast flicker when the phone is in use. And that's it. So, it's a good module to have, very convenient for receptionists if you need extra buttons on your phone, and that's